Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, today is September the 1st, 2019, and this is one of my lettuce varieties here. Now, this is a heirloom variety. I'll have to get the name of it for you, and I'll put it on the video. But as you can see here, it is starting to produce seeds here. And it did bolt on me, and the flowers are yellow on it. And in this video here, I'm going to be showing you how to collect lettuce seeds. So, okay, so this one here, it's only one pod right now that's going to seed. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take this pod off here, and that white milky stuff there, that's just from the lettuce things. And you can see these are my lettuce seeds right here. And yeah, I got the whole pot off. Now, you will want to collect quite a few of these. So as you can see here, these are all seed pods here forming. And these will all produce seeds then that you can harvest and use for your future plantings of lettuce. And actually what your seeds do is they'll adapt to your climate. Now, hybrid seeds will not seed true, but open pollinated and heirloom seeds will seed true, providing that they do not cross. And I did a video on my channel for, it talks about collecting your heirloom seeds and your open pollinated seeds and what to look for when selecting your plants to harvest your seeds from. So what you want to do with this is go ahead and remove all of the innards of the seeds here. I believe they call it chaff. And you can see here the seeds are sticking to me because of that white sap. So it's a little sticky there. And I'll get all this out then. And what I'll do is I'll label these and I will put them in an envelope. And then I will take the envelope and I will put it in a Ziploc bag and I will store my seeds in the refrigerator for future plantings. And that helps your seeds to last longer, and it also helps your seeds to germinate faster from what I've seen. I actually won't even plant lettuce seeds that haven't been chilled. And I do have other varieties that are going to seed that I'm going to be collecting seeds from. And I do have videos on my channel for how to start your lettuce from seed, and I show how I start it and the different seed starting mix that I use. So that's how I collect lettuce seeds. There's a whole lot more coming, so I'm going to be collecting more. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!